Ethan! Welcome back to PE. This is Mr. Barron here. I hope you had a good time learning that catching, and I hope you got those skills down. We're gonna move right along into the next task and the next activity, but again, before we start, we need a clean area. We are gonna need some cones, okay? So if you don't have cones, you can use your shoes, you can use water bottles, you could use a hat, you could use some socks. Doesn't matter, just get some cones. We want to put 3 of them spaced out. If you need help, make sure to ask your teacher. So today, what we are going to be working on is sliding. So sliding is going to be something that, here, let me show you what it looks like real quick. So I'm going to slide from this cone down to that one. We're going to keep this here. And we're going to come back here to the left. And we're going to go back to the right. So I'm swinging my arms, I'm keeping a rhythm, I'm looking forward, my body's facing the front. So what I want to focus on today with you is changing your speed while we're sliding. So to do this, we're going to set up that cone, 1, 2, 3. We have a line here, or you can use the cones, use an imaginary line, but I have a line here on the ground. And what we're going to do is we're going to start slow to the first cone, and then we're going to go nice and fast to the second cone. So real quick, can you tell me from last week what animal we used that was fast? Do you remember? Really fast, a big jungle cat. That's right, a cheetah. That's a really fast animal. And what about a slow one? We used a slow one last week too. Do you remember what it was? It was a turtle. Good stuff. Okay, so first we're gonna start like a turtle, and then we're gonna move to a cheetah. So take a look at this. You can even do it with me. If you have this set up, you can join me right now. We're gonna go nice and slow, and then we're gonna go fast. So real quick, we're gonna go slow, and we get to the cone, and we're gonna go fast. And now we're gonna come back this way. We're gonna start slow, and then go fast. So I'm gonna start slow here, and now I'm going fast, like a cheetah. Okay, one more time here. We're gonna go slow, and now we're gonna go fast. Okay, so one thing to think about real quick is the rhythm. We want to be a rhythm. You want to move your feet to the rhythm. You want to clap to the rhythm. You want to swing your arms to the rhythm. Everything is going to be on a rhythm. So to the rhythm. So, real quick, can you spell the word fast for me? I'm going to throw it up here on the screen. Can you spell fast? I'll spell it with you. Ready? Fast. F-A-S-T. Ready? One more time. F-A-S-T. What does that spell? Great job. Okay, we're gonna get right into it. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna go slow like a turtle and fast like a cheetah. Don't forget, keep that rhythm to the beat. Move those feet to the beat. So ready? Keep that rhythm, and now we're going fast. So the beat is slow, fast. So one more time, we're gonna go slow, so I'm gonna want you to do that for me at least 5 times. I want you to get your teacher to watch you and see if we can't do that 5 times. So remember, start slow like a turtle and fast like a cheetah. Get to that cone, and then I'll see you in the next task. Welcome to task 2, Ethan. Congratulations, let's keep it rolling. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take those 3 cones that we just had, and we're gonna take this last cone, and we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it off the line a little bit. We're gonna put it on a diagonal so you can move in different directions. So this one, the last one we focused on slow and fast. For this one, we're gonna be working on direction. So mainly left and right. So do me a favor here, take a look at this picture. It's your hands. When you see on your hands a nice L shaped, that means you're going left. So let me show you here. I'm gonna start going to the right. So I'm coming here and I'm going to the right, okay? Doesn't matter what speed, just make sure you're going to the right. Once you get here, you're gonna go back to the left. So you're coming back here to the left. Always going to the rhythm, don't forget the rhythm. So, going back and forth. Don't forget, Ethan, when you're doing this, so right now I'm gonna be moving to the left. You wanna be sideways the whole time. I'm moving this way, but my body is facing this way. So make sure you find like a wall or something, maybe your teacher's standing in front of you watching. face them and go to the side. So when you keep that rhythm, but you want to stay sideways, okay? Again, back to the other way. So I'm gonna have you do this 3 times. You can do it with me real quick. Let's do 2 together real quick. So we're gonna start by going to the right. So we're gonna go to the right. Ready? Go. To the right, keep the rhythm. And now back to the left. Keep the rhythm. Good. Keep sideways. Awesome job. Let's spell the words right and left so I know that you understand what they are. So I'm going to put this word right here on the screen. Right. How do you spell right? R-I-G-H-T. One more time. Say it out loud with me. R-I-G-H-T. To the right. Okay, now real quick. Left. Left. Okay, ready? I'm going to pop it up here on the screen. All right, let's go over it. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. Okay, great. So don't forget, that's what you want to focus on, is going to the right and to the left. And if you can challenge yourself, try to bring it onto the diagonal angle to slide. Don't forget also, your rhythm is very important and to keep sideways. Now try to do this 5 times with your teacher, and I will see you in the next task. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Next task we're gonna go to is a little bit different. This is gonna be a challenge bonus task if you're up for it. So that cone that we move to the side here, it's no longer in a straight line, it's on a diagonal. So we have right, left, and diagonal. So when we come to this line here, we're going to the left. Well, if I kept going left, I would miss this cone. But if I go to this cone and I turn my body sideways to this cone, I can now continue to go diagonally to this cone. And now I'll go back diagonally to the left to this cone. I will straighten out, staying sideways, and I'll go back all the way to the right to the beginning. If you get to that, I would like you to try it at least 3 times with your teacher. Make sure to ask for help. Don't be shy. So real quick, a little check for understanding that I know that you understood what we were getting here. So I'm gonna have a couple pictures here on the screen of fast animals, fast objects, and slow objects. I want you to circle right now. Here they are. Circle with your finger which ones are the fast animals. And then I want you to put a nice X through the ones that are slow. So take the time real quick. Draw your things. Okay. Here come the green circles and the X's. Let's see if you got it right. Awesome, so we got some fast animals here, and we got some slow animals here. The fast animals are the ones with the green check. Okay, awesome job. Awesome job. Another thing, real quick. Can you tell me, is this going to the left? Correct, this is going to the left. And this way, is this the right? Yes, this is the right. Okay. So real quick, answer this question for me. I'm bringing it back to the first task. You can't forget about the first task just because we're on the second. Okay? Am I moving to the right or the left? Say it out loud. Here I go. Which way was that? Was that to the right or was that to the left? It was the right. Great job. That's how I know you're paying attention. Don't sleep on me, Ethan. I'm here. I see you. I'm going to meet you one day. Don't you worry. All right, so real quick again. Am I moving to the left? No, I'm going to the right. That's the right. Great job. I will see you in the next task. Stay safe and have a great weekend.